morning, students. I am Priya. I hope you all are doing good. Dear students, we should wear mask whenever we are going out. Mostly avoid going out. Stay safe at home. Wash your hands with sanitizer before entering inside your home. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. You are watching EduStar Class 3 Mathematics Lesson 8 Fractions Part 1. Students, look at this picture. What are these? Yes, these are yummy chocolates. How many chocolates are there? Yes, 4 chocolates. Ramu's mother bought these 4 chocolates. These chocolates have to be divided between Ramu and his sister. So, mother have to give equal number of chocolates to each. 4 chocolates have to be divided equally among these 2 kids. So, 4 divided by 2. We know 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, Ramu will get 2 chocolates and his sister will get 2 chocolates. So, these 2 kids get 2 chocolates each. On another day, Ramu's mother bought just 2 apples. Again, these 2 apples have to be divided equally between these 2 kids. So, 2 apples have to be divided among these 2 kids. And we know 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, they get 1 apple each. That is, Ramu get 1 and his sister get 1. Now, on the other day, she bought only 1 pizza. So, what would she do? Because there is only 1 pizza, but there are 2 kids. His mother should be fair, isn't it? She can't give this one whole pizza to only Ramu or to only his sister. Now, this one pizza has to be divided among these 2 kids equally. So, what does the mother do? Any idea? Yes, she cut the pizza into 2 equal parts. That is, she divides the whole pizza into 2 equal parts. So Ramu get this one part and his sister get another part. That is, one whole pizza divided into 2 equal parts. Now, how do I write this one part mathematically? Because this one part is not whole, but it is less than 1. Actually, she divided the pizza, isn't it? So, 1 divided by 2. That is, he gets 1 divided by 2 and she gets 1 divided by 2. Now, let us see how to write this division into fraction. When a thing is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction of a whole. That is, the full thing. A fraction represents a part of a whole. Also, fractions are used to denote quantities which is less than 1. Here, this pizza is divided into 2 equal halves. So, each part is 1 half of the whole. That is, this part is 1 half and this part is another half. We can say it as, out of these 2 parts, this is 1 part and this is 1 part. Each part written as 1, this line, and 2. That is 1 by 2. In words, this 1 by 2 written as half. These 2 halves of this pizza make the whole pizza. That is, half plus half is equal to whole. Now look at this biscuit. Is this divided equally? No. This biscuit is divided into two unequal parts. These parts are not halves. Always remember, to write a fraction in numbers, we write total number of equal parts at the bottom and the number of parts chosen is written on top. That is, number of parts chosen by total number of equal parts. Now see this circle. In this circle, one part is shaded. That is, one part out of two is chosen by shading. We say this as 1 by 2 is shaded. That is, half is shaded. Now look at these pictures. Write the part shaded in words and figures. First, triangle. Correct. I shaded half of this triangle. So write in words half. And the shaded part fraction is 1 by 2. That is, out of two parts, one part is shaded. Let's take this square. Now I shaded half of this square. In words I can write half. And the shaded part's fraction is 1 by 2. That is, out of two parts, one part is shaded. Now see these pictures. Here everything is broken into two parts, but these are not two equal parts. So I can't refer to one part as half. Okay, next one. If something is divided into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4 of the whole. This one part is called 1/4. Okay, it can be written as 1 by 4. The another name for 1/4 is quarter. Now listen carefully. Raju, Sania, Mani and Nila shared a cake equally. So the cake is divided into four equal parts. Each of them get one part. That is, this piece is Raju's share. This piece is Sania's share. This is Mani's share. And this one is Nila's share. So out of these four parts, Raju get one part. So we can write Raju's share as 1 by 4, Sania's share as 1 by 4, Mani's share as 1 by 4 and Nila's share as 1 by 4. So each got 1/4 of the cake. Among these kids, we know Raju and Mani are boys, Sania and Nila are girls. So the girls together got the 1/2 of the cake. The boys got the other half. So 2 1/4 make half. That is, 2 quarters is equal to half. So if the whole is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is 1/4 or quarter of the whole. Now look at this rectangle. This rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts. In these 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So we can write this as 3 by 4. That is, 3 parts shaded out of 4 parts. In words, we can write as 3/4. We have to add s here because 3 parts are more than 1. In fraction, if number at top is more than 1, we have to add s while write the fraction in words. Now see this circle. Here out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So we can write this as 2 by 4. That is 2/4 in words. Here 2 is more than 1. So I added s. Now look at these pictures and write the part shaded in words and figures. See this first one. Here out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. The fraction of shaded part is 2 by 4. In words, we can write this as 2/4. Next, in this picture, out of 4 parts, 1 part is shaded. So, in figure, we can write this as 1 by 4. In words, 1/4 or quarter. Okay. Next picture. Here, out of 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. In fraction, we can write this as 3 by 4. In words, 3/4. Today, we learnt about only half and quarter. In fraction, half can be written as 1 by 2. Quarter can be written as 1 by 4. The another name for quarter is 1/4. I hope you understand today's class. Dear students, before to the next session, study these ordinal numbers from 1st to 20th. Students, listen carefully. I will read it once, okay? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Dear students, study and write these ordinal numbers in your rough note until you are memorizing it. Just know the spellings well. It will be helpful for the next class. Okay. Now take your math book. Take lesson 8 fraction. Turn page number 112. Exercise 8.1. Shade half of the following figures. You have to shade one half of this figure. You can use color pencils also. After completion, you can check your answers with these. Now see this page number 113. Exercise 8.2. Look at the pictures below. Write the part shaded in words and figures. See this first question. This question is already done for you. Here out of 2 parts, 1 part is shaded. So they wrote it as half 1 by 2. See the second question. Here also totally 2 parts are there. Out of these 2 parts, 1 part is shaded. In fraction, we can write it as 1 by 2. You can write this in words, half. See this third question. Totally 4 parts are there. Out of these 4 parts, 1 part is shaded. So in fraction, 1 by 4. In words, you can write it as quarter or 1/4. See this fourth question. Here also totally 4 parts are there. Out of these 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. In fraction, write it as 2 by 4. In words, 2/4. See this fifth question. Here also totally 4 parts are given. Out of these 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction is 3 by 4. In words, we can write this as 3/4. Parents, kindly guide your ward to complete this work and send us the images of math book page number 112 and 113 through this mail ID. Now, let's move to the BCS session. If your teacher is asking you, what is your mother? On hearing this, most of you will reply with your mother's name. That is wrong. You have to reply with your mother's occupation. For example, if your mother is a teacher, you can tell her, my mother is a teacher. What is your mother? My mother is a teacher. If she is asking you, what is your mother's name? Then only you have to reply with your mother's name. For example, if your mother's name is Anita, you can reply her, my mother's name is Anita. Now answer me, what is your mother's name? My mother's name is Anita. Thank you, dear students.